Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to rebuild the icon cache in Windows 11. This process can help fix issues with corrupted or missing icons on your desktop and throughout your system. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, power on your system unit and wait until your Windows 11 computer completely loads up. It's important to make sure everything is fully booted before proceeding with these steps to avoid any conflicts or issues during the process. Once your PC is ready and you're at your desktop, you'll want to open File Explorer. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or pressing Windows key plus E on your keyboard. After File Explorer opens, direct your attention to the address bar at the top of the window. This is where you'll enter a specific path to quickly navigate to the folder you need. On the address bar, type %, local app data, %. This shortcut command will immediately take you to your local app data folder, which is the fastest way to navigate there without having to manually browse through multiple folders. If you need a moment to copy this path accurately, feel free to pause the video here. Once you've typed it in, press enter on your keyboard. Now you'll be inside your local app data directory. From here, you need to scroll down through the list of folders and files until you locate a file named iconcache.db. This is the file that stores all your icon information, and when it becomes corrupted, your icons may not display correctly or might appear broken. Take your time scrolling through the list since there are many items in this directory. Once you've found the iconcache.db file, it's time to delete it. To permanently remove this file and force Windows to create a fresh one, hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and then press the Delete key. This combination bypasses the recycle bin and removes the file immediately. After you delete this file, Windows 11 will automatically generate a brand new icon cache file that is freshly rebuilt, which should resolve any icon display issues you were experiencing. And that's it. You've successfully rebuilt the icon cache in Windows 11, which should fix any problems with corrupted or missing icons throughout your system. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.